Good day! A thesis proposal by Christine Concha and yours truly. Utilization, characterization, and evaluation of dried water hyacinth of paper making production. Water hyacinth is indeed one of the major problems for the aquatic industry because of its rapid growth of population. It can cause to make the water warmer, and it leads to the death of fishes and other water organisms. It would not just make the water hotter, but water hyacinth can also block the water flow. When the water is blocked, tendency would be water stagnant that will eventually be the favorite place for the dengue to lay its eggs. Basically, it would not just harm water organisms but also to humans. In different countries, water hyacinth has its own different name. In India, water hyacinth is called the blue devil or the Florida devil, because oxygen of the water has been taken by a lot of water hyacinth, and it causes the loss of lives of fishes. The study wanted to make a good paper quality out of water hyacinth as one of the materials to use in the paper making. And this is to benefit the consumers, artists, publishing companies to achieve higher quality of their work. By using fiber of water hyacinth from its own roots and stem, tensile strength will be determined after the conducting of the methods, and the time of drying will be identified of how long it would take to dry it off. The one-way analysis of variance or the ANOVA will be utilized to assess the researchers to determine the significance of the amount of time it will take for the samples to dry to their tensile strength.
For the waste paper preparation, waste paper will be collected at Alegria Elementary School, and for the cardboard will be collected in the grocery stores within San Francisco, Agusan del Sur. The researcher will use 1 kilogram of waste paper for each sample. After collecting the waste paper, the researcher will soak it in a basin with 3,000 ml of water for 3 days before smashing it with a hammer until it disintegrates. For the preparation for the water hyacinth used in the study will be collected at Esperanza, Agusan del Sur. The material will be washed in a clean water after it has been collected. The stem and the roots will be separated from each other, and then it will be allowed to dry in an open air for 5 days. After the material has been dried using the process, it will be blended separately and soaked in hot water for at least half an hour. To make the liquid starch, boil at least 1,000 ml of water, then add 2 kilos of starch and stir until the starch is mixed with the water, then set aside to cool. In this experiment, there will be 4 different samples. First is the cartolina root mixture and the cardboard root mixture. Second is the cartolina stem mixture and the cardboard stem mixture. The third one is the cartolina root and stem mixture and the cardboard root and stem mixture. And the fourth set of sample are the cartolina and cardboard alone. The ratio of the liquid starch to each sample must be exactly 1:1, and the mixture will be then analyzed. The amount of liquid starch utilized in each sample is precisely 500 milliliters. After being mixed, the sample will be spread out on the silk screen in an even manner before being allowed to dry. The recording will be done to keep track of how long it takes for the samples to dry. And thank you.